guys, I'm at the Henley site and I thought I'll do a quick progress update. It's been a few weeks actually, so let's go and have a look and see what's going on. So this is the entrance to the commercial unit. We've now, since the last video, screeded the place. So that's all been screeded. This is going to be the grand sort of entrance to the clinic, and there's going to be a reception desk here. There's going to be a waiting area here. There's going to be some training as well, actually, as part of the whole aesthetics. So let's go in and show you a little bit about the commercial. Obviously, I'm not totally involved with the details of it, but I'm going to give you a bit of an idea. As you come in, this is one of the aesthetic treatment rooms. That's room 1, and this is the treatment room number 2. So lovely large rooms. So obviously creating that whole luxury feel about the clinic. As you come in here, it's a bit dark in here. You might not be able to see, but that's the disabled toilet. This is another regular toilet here. This area is a combination of office room, staff room, kitchenette. That's going to be the diagnostics area. Again, I think it's quite dark, so I'm not sure if you can see any of it. It's the diagnostics area where there'll be x-rays and treatment rooms. So I think they're split up into 2 different rooms. This was initially, this is a strong room actually. So I don't know if you remember from my last video, going back, they had to cut through this wall which had steels in here. So that was quite a massive exercise to do. As you can see there, the steels at the top there. You had to cut through the steels and weld through it. So that's been a massive, huge task they had to undertake. Here is pretty much the staff area, office area for the staff, kitchenette, and the other services that will go through. This is going to be the end of the commercial unit here. And this is going to be the exit, another different exit to go outside. And here, let's quickly take you through the flat 1. So you come in from here. At the moment it's a Portaloo, but this is where you come in for the residential units. And you come in flat 1 here, right here. And this flat has been a bit of a challenge, and there's been some few changes made. But finally there's a plan and we're sticking to this. This is the actual bedroom. So you can see a good size, I think 10 square meters bedroom. Those windows are currently non-openable, but we've got someone to actually come and make them openable, obviously, as you would need them to be. This whole area is just a massive hallway into the flat, and as you come in, you have this open plan. It's not open plan, but this is the living room area, and here, through here, is the kitchen. Initially, we were thinking of making it an open plans kitchen, but I think there's been some restrictions on being right next to the commercial unit. You need to be a much more considerate and informed of the fire regulations. That's why there's been another fire door here. There's going to be a fire door here, but this is going to be all insulated against the commercial unit. We've just had the kitchen designer in, and we're just looking to design the kitchen. I think there's going to be a fridge freezer here, oven here, lots of cupboards, sink and small dishwasher right there. So this is going to be the kitchen layout, a lovely large lounge basically. And this here, right here, is going to be the bathroom. So again, a good sized bathroom. It's about 2.5 meters by 1.5 meters, square meters. So yeah, let's have a look upstairs. Let's go into the smaller flat first, the flat 3. As you come in, you have the door to the bathroom area, and then you come into this lovely large open plan kitchen living. We talked about this earlier in some previous videos. This is going to be the kitchen, and we have the kitchen designer just mark out where the cupboards and everything is going to go. Here you have the oven, cooker, hob, fridge freezer right here. You have the electric boiler right here, which will be enclosed. Rest of it is all cupboard space. You have the sink here, dishwasher here, and you have a really lovely large living room. Here is going to be the entrance to the terrace area outside, which obviously needs a lot of clearing up right now, but once it's done, it's going to be a lovely little terrace area with the flat. There'll obviously have to be some screening done in regards to the property next door. Here, very quickly you can see there's a bedroom here, which is again a lovely large, good sized double bed. Not super large, but good sized double bed. And the plan is to have an ensuite here. So this bathroom, there's only one bathroom, but that's going to be accessed from the front of the flat as well as the bedroom. So that's quite a good design. Let's go to the flat 2, which is the larger of the 3 flats, the 2-bedroom unit. As you come in